Guys, so for today I'm going to be showing you 4 shades of Blend Bunny Cosmetics matte lip creams with the lip pencils that correspond with them. Now when I ordered the Surge palette, they sent me the lip pencils. They were just in the package with the palette. These are no longer available for purchase, and I'm not sure if they're doing that with their orders or what. I don't know if it was because I was a new customer. I'm not sure why they put those in there, because I ordered the Blends palette, and I also ordered the 4 matte lip creams that I'm about to show you, which correspond with the pencils that they sent me the last time. So anyways, the matte lip creams are $12 each, and like I said, the pencils are no longer available, but I wanted to tell you a little bit about them and show you what each color looks like on. The soft matte lip creams dry down matte but stay extremely comfortable. They're pigmented and they're smudge resistant. So the one that I have on right now is called Tease, and this is a light cashmere inspired brown. And this next one is called Haunting, and it's a deep brick leaning red. And then this shade is called Like a Pro, and it is a perfect true red. And then this last shade is called Doll Face, and it's a cool tone nude rose, and I think that's my favorite. So those are all 4 shades of the matte lip creams that I ordered, and I will obviously be doing a separate video on the Blends palette that I ordered, and it's a beauty, so I'm really looking forward to that. Thanks for watching. Bye.